People suffering from baldness often look for new ways to stop the speed of the hair loss. You need to think out of the box when it's about regrowing your hair naturally. Although hair transplant surgery has immense potential to give your hair back, there are some natural treatments that can help you to fight male pattern baldness effectively. Check out different approaches to fight your hair loss problem and reverse the condition naturally. Food items you consume. The food items that you eat have a pivotal part in empowering hair development and also stopping hair loss. A few nourishments can really start your strands to begin dropping out in case you are not watchful. Processed foods are the biggest culprits behind this problem. Chicken is a standout among the most prevalent food, which many of us have for lunch and dinner. Have you at any point given any genuine thought concerning how these chickens are prepared before they reach the grocery store? Many suppliers are directing a wide range of steroids into these meats just to make them bigger in size and weight. What you fail to realize is that when you eat these chickens, you additionally inject those steroids into your own body. This causes a hormonal imbalance that can prompt the generation of high measures of DHT. The DHT hormone is a known reason for hair loss in both men and women. The most ideal approach is to consume more and more organic foods and meats that are free of chemical DHT. You just discovered that specific nourishments can both help and damage the development of your hair. A hormone called DHT, dihydrotestosterone, is the cause of 90% of all balding cases in both males and females around the world. If you've ever been informed by the hair transplant surgeon that you are losing hair as a result of your hereditary qualities, more than likely this is a direct result of the DHT hormone. Both males and females have some amount of DHT in the body that is utilized for different functions, for example, the development of facial hair and the directing women's menstrual cycles. At the point when there is an excess amount of it, that is the place where issues begin to happen. Pick the right hair care products. There is no doubt that a hair transplant is the best solution for baldness, but if you are looking for natural methods to treat your baldness, then choosing the right hair care methods is one of the most significant ways to do it. Herbal products, for example, those containing green tea functioned admirably. Stay away from any shampoo that contains sodium lauryl sulfate or utilize petroleum. These sorts of chemicals will just remove healthy minerals from your scalp and therefore make regrowing hair considerably harder. Introducing the Ultimate Hair Rebuilding Program, the step-by-step solution to rebuilding your hair permanently. Please click the link in the description to see full review of this program.
I changed my life completely by using this system. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed.